Hey guys, this is your watch me first for your unit plan part 4. So for part 4, you are doing two things. You are doing the unit learning objective tables and the unit assessment tables. And then you are doing your third lesson. Now the third lesson could be your first lesson or the third lesson, whichever one is the one you're missing from your part 3. So let me talk about this. The unit learning objective table is basically you're going to put all your unit objectives from all 3 lessons over here, okay? And then number them A, B, C, D so that you will see what happens next, okay? I'll explain that part to you. The TEKS is what TEKS do you have? You don't have to answer this one. And then the Blooms is the codes that you have. These are the codes that you have over here. You can only have one code per objective, okay? So you're going to put all your learning objectives, you're going to put your TEKS, and you're going to put your Bloom's code here. You want to make sure your Bloom's codes are increasing in the level of complexity, they are increasing in the level of thinking, creativity, and you're moving over to higher order thinking. Unit objectives is you're going to put unit assessments is you're going to put all your assessments here. And then the codes are, these are your codes. Pre-assessment, post-assessment, formative or summative. You have to have at least one pre and one post-assessment. Okay. The easiest way to do it is to have a pre-assessment in the first one and post-assessment in your last one. Okay. If you watch the video, then you know about this. And then your modes are, these are all your modes that are coming from. So whether they are paper, pencil, performance, observation, or this. If you have a performance and an observation one, you have to have rubrics and you have to have varied range. So this is the table that is going to see the varied range of it and all the attachments and everything that you need. Here where you have the learning objectives, you had numbered them A, B, C, D and all those. You can put A, B, C, D over here. You could have an assessment like, let's say you have a Kahoot which you used for objective 1 and objective D. That is fine. You can put A, D. And then this is the column you have to fill up is the differentiated instruction and modifications. You have to talk about the differentiated instruction and modifications here. Okay. So this is what you're going to do for the unit objective and unit assessment tables. And then you're going to do one of your lesson plans, the ones that is left. That is what you do for your unit plan part 4. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.